Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am very excited for today's video because the Nordstrom anniversary sale kicked off officially yesterday for certain members, and this is one of my favorite clothing sales of the year. They also have really good deals on accessories, beauty items, home stuff as well, and pretty much all the bloggers go crazy for it, and I love to showcase it here on my channel as well. So for today I wanted to share with you my recommendations from the sale and my wish list. So not everyone can shop right now. It's pretty much only the big spenders that can shop at this time. But I wanted to get this video up ahead of time so you guys could start making your wish list, and you can reference back to this video once you are able to shop. So if you guys are unfamiliar with the Nordstrom anniversary sale, this is a big sale that they do once a year, and it's always right before fall. They will release a bunch of new items, new releases marked down on sale, which is so cool because usually sales are past season stuff, but this is brand new items at a discount with name brands. And I really love to stock up on just some really good essentials during the sale. I buy pretty much basic pieces for clothing. It's always a good time if you want to get some new boots for fall, a new bag, and they have really good beauty deals as well for some luxury makeup. So I'm going to go over so much stuff today. I want to talk about a few things that I have that are a part of the sale again, and I'm also going to share with you what I plan on picking up. I think I'm actually going to shop in store this year. I actually don't have a Nordstrom here in Iowa, but I think I'm going to travel to one in Minnesota. I'm thinking about doing just a road trip by myself, just go to Nordstrom, and that is it, because I would really like to do the in-store experience because online things sell out so quickly. It's kind of frustrating, so I'm going to try that, just being safe, wearing my mask, all that stuff. But I'll give you guys the dates because you're probably like, what the heck? But right now, if you guys have a Nordstrom credit card, you can shop earlier. Only the icons are shopping right now. And then if you're ambassador status on your Nordstrom card, you can shop August 7th. Influencer status can shop August 10th, and then I'm an insider, so I think that's just everyone who has the credit card can shop August 13th, and if you don't have their card, you can shop August 19th, it looks like. But you can look at all the items on the website right now and start adding to your wish list. So they're doing different tiered shopping. Right, so I want to start off with the beauty items since I am mostly a beauty channel. But MAC has a ton of really good little bundles for this sale that are exclusive to this Nordstrom sale. And I was looking at this MAC Hot Gossip mini lipstick kit, which is adorable. This is $32.50. You get 5 different mini lipsticks, and they're normal shades. So you get Velvet Teddy, Package Deal, Plumful, Double Date, and then You Can't Chill With Us. I actually think that some of those might be limited edition, but I thought that was a really cute set. They also have a MAC cheek palette, which looks really nice. That is exclusive for the sale. It's called the All-Star Face Palette. It's going to be at $42.50, and you get 6 different shades in there. I'm trying to see if it says the shade names. It has a powder blush in Crystal Pink, Strawberry Fields, Melon Pink, Hey Sis, and Buddy. And it says a bronzing powder in Refined Golden as well. So those are the shades. This looks really good. Usually I feel like Nordstrom does a cheek palette with NARS, but it looks like they're doing more stuff with MAC this sale. They also have a Charlotte Tilbury lip bundle, which I would definitely recommend if you guys have not tried their iconic Pillow Talk lipstick. I'm actually wearing it right now as one of my go-to nude pinks. So in this set, it's only $68, and you get the full size of the Pillow Talk lip liner, also the Pillow Talk Collagen Lip Bath, which is basically a really moisturizing lip gloss, and the Pillow Talk lipstick. So 3 full sizes for $68, usually a $91 value, and that's an exclusive set to Nordstrom. They also have this hair kit from the brand Way, which has my favorite leave-in conditioner and a thirsty hair oil. I use both of those products. I love Way hair products. They are by Jen Atkins, which is, I believe it is or used to be Kim Kardashian's hairstylist, and I really love how the Way products work in my hair and how they smell. It's very luxurious. So you get the full-size leave-in spray, which is my favorite leave-in spray. It seriously makes your hair smell amazing all day, and the full-size oil, it's $35. I've had that oil, I think I've had it for 3 years, and I'm still not even halfway done. Seriously, you need the littlest bit. They also have some jumbo sizes of my favorite products. So I wanted to quick mention the Paula's Choice Perfecting 2% BHA Liquid Exfoliant. They have a jumbo size of it for this sale, and it's going to be $39, a $59 value. I'm trying to see how big this is. It says 8 ounces. This is mine. I'm like literally out. I think I'm actually going to order this. This I have is 4 ounces, so you get double the product. This is so good if you guys have acne prone skin. I use this pretty much every night to exfoliate my skin, and that's really my big secret to how my skin stays so clear, having acne oily prone skin. It's been a lifesaver. And then also they have a jumbo size of my favorite Saint Tropez. This is the Express Bronzing Mousse. It is for $49. You get double the product of the regular bottle. This is my go-to. I actually have it on today. You guys probably can't tell, but I did self-tan. My lights are super bright today. I went ahead and turned that brightness down because it was a bit much, but that's going to be $49 instead of $88. So you're basically getting a whole nother one for free. I might have to stock up on that deal. So there's so many more beauty deals, but I didn't want this video to be too long. You guys can definitely check out the other things. Like I said, all these products will be linked down below. I do make a small commission if you guys do use my links, but it is greatly appreciated. Moving on to the clothing section. Like I said earlier, I like to buy just like basics, everyday essentials, and have a more high quality piece. I'm usually one who does not like to spend a lot on clothes. I'm usually like a bargain clothes shopper, but for my basic everyday pieces, I do like to have something more expensive, and I love that I'm getting it at a deal. So some of my recommendations include this cardigan that I'm wearing. I'm guessing you guys can probably guess what brand it is because this is pretty much on everyone's wish list and everyone always recommends them, but this is one of the Barefoot Dreams circle cardigans. This is seriously the softest cardigan you will ever have in your lifetime. It is so amazing. These are nice just to wear around the house, but they're also very cute that you can wear them out and about. So I have the circle cardigan on right now. So I don't know if they have this color. If I find it, I'll link it down below. It's almost like a light blue gray, but they have a new one that I want to get in like a light leopard print. So I'm thinking about getting that one. They had it in a blanket prior that a lot of people love. I really do want to get one of those blankets, but I don't know. I haven't bit the bullet yet. I really want to get the leopard like cardigan from them. I think that's on my wish list, but so many people are wanting it. It's honestly probably gonna sell out, so fingers crossed I am able to get one. They also have my favorite leggings, which are from Zella, and my favorite is the high waist Studio Pocket 7/8 leggings. I am short, 5'2", so the 7/8 leggings like length usually work perfect for me for like a regular length, and these are gonna be $42.90 instead of $65. I love the high waist on these. I have a pair already. They are true to size, very comfortable leggings, so I might have to get 1 or 2 of those because I absolutely adore them. Mine that I have, I bought last year at the sale. I think mine are called Live-In pocket leggings. These are called Studio Pocket, so I don't know if there's a big difference there, but I'm gonna purchase those for sure. And then I wanted to talk about this jacket too. This is on sale again. This is one of my favorite purchases from the sale last year. This is a like suede jacket from the brand Cut From The Cloth. It is amazing. My favorite fall jacket. It seriously looks so gorgeous. It's amazing quality. It has like this silky material on the inside, and I love all like the zipper details that it has. It has it on the sleeve as well. It's super cute. I have this one true to size. This one is in a large, and definitely worth it. That's my first thing I've ever tried from Cut From The Cloth, and I definitely want to try more, so I would definitely recommend that as just a really nice layering piece for the fall time. That one is priced at $76.90. A little pricey, originally $118, but it's seriously amazing quality, and they have some other colors in it as well. I did find one pair of jeans that look really nice that I want to get. Most of the other jeans are just really pricey, but this one's priced well. It's by Articles of Society. It's the Sarah Distressed skinny jeans, and they look like they would be pretty stretchy. These are only $48.90 on sale, so I might try those. I'm hoping I can get the right size if I do happen to order online. And then I have a bunch of tops, mostly sweaters, because I do like to have just like a solid plain colored sweater that's just really soft and cozy for fall and winter time. I just love really comfy things and very basic colors. So I have this pink one from Treasure and Bond. I do want to get just a really pretty light pink sweater. This one actually comes in a really pretty light blue too, which I'm eyeing. It has the side slits. It's only $39.90, which is a good price. And this one definitely looks super cozy, as I can see from the pictures. So I think I'm definitely gonna get that one. one or two, we will see. It's originally $69, so I feel like that's a really good price. There's a bunch of fun tie-dye things that I want to get. You guys, I love tie-dye. I can never have enough. It's been my thing for a while, and I'm so happy that it is majorly in style right now because they have this super cute lounge top. It's by BP, and it's it's called Purple Sheer tie-dye, and it's only $24.90, originally $39. I know I have similar things at the boutique that I work at, but I just really like this color pattern, and you can buy the matching pants and just wear it as a whole set. I think it's super cute. They also have this one by Daydreamer, which is this beautiful, colorful tie-dye swirl pattern. It looks like a long sleeve top, but it looks thick, like almost sweatshirt material. That one's for $44.90. Super cute, love that pattern. And then they have a Def Leppard graphic tee that I really want to get. Me and my husband love Def Leppard, like legitimately, and I know these shirts are so trendy, but they're adorable, so it's something that I love, plus it's really in style right now. This one looks like it'd be pretty good quality. The one that I have is from Target, and it's so thin. This one looks like it'd be a bit thicker, so I'm definitely gonna get this top if it doesn't sell out. It's $44.90, originally $69. I have a couple things from Free People on my wish list. First up is this turtleneck style, I guess you would call it. I'm really not a huge fan of these things around my neck, but I really love this purple color. I think it's gorgeous. It's called the Free People Afterglow Mock Neck Top, and yeah, I love the lilac shade. This looks like it's very oversized. I don't know, I'm on the fence with this one because it's still very pricey. It's $84.90, originally $128. Another thing from Free People, I think I'm definitely gonna get this. This is the Leo top, and it's a Henley tee, and I love this light pink one. It just looks so delicate and cute. It's oversized as well. It has like the thermal style, these buttons down the front. I love how it looks in the light pink, but I'm definitely open to getting it in a couple other colors as well. That one is $44.90, originally $68. I do want to get a good cardigan. I'm not sure what one I want to get because most of the cardigans they have right now just look really long. I'm pretty short, so I don't know if it would look the best on me, but I do want to get one. I'm thinking about getting like an olive green color. The ones from Leith I've heard are pretty good. This is the Leith Cozy Long Cardigan, so maybe I could try to maybe size down one size and see if that'll give me a little bit of a shorter length. But I love the olive. I also love the pink adobe color. I think they have these every year as well. I'm surprised I haven't tried them, but I do want to find a good cardigan. You guys can let me know if you guys have a recommendation as well for a cardigan. And then I also have this gorgeous ivory sweater from the brand Dreamers by Debut. I've tried a couple things from this brand and I really do like them. We had a couple things from them at the boutique I worked at. I think they're just really good quality and they're not too expensive. So I'm loving this ivory color in this sweater. It's called the High-Low sweater, and it looks like it's the perfect length, not too long. It's $31.90, originally $49, so it's not like the biggest discount, but I think it's pretty good. So those are mostly the clothing items. I do have one kind of shoe item, but not really. It's like a lounge piece, but basically they have a ton of UGG slippers on sale, and everyone's been talking these up, and it's making me want one, so I'm thinking about getting a pair. I like the Fluffette slippers the best. I'm thinking about either like the cream, it almost looks like a blush pinky cream shade, or the light gray. These are originally about $90, on sale for $59.90, 60 bucks. They have good reviews. There's a bunch of other styles on sale too, but I think it would be nice just to have them for lounging around the house and stuff like that, because I am at home most of the time. I don't usually like to be barefoot, though I do have some slippers now, but they're like the open toe ones, so they're kind of like, they look like sandals basically. So those would be nice to have. And then one other shoe that I'm looking at, I don't know, I'm kind of picky with shoes. That's why I don't have a ton on my wish list. I feel like I need to try them on in person because I hate it when my feet hurt. Like that, if my feet are uncomfortable, I will be pissy for like the whole day. So I'm really picky about shoes, and I find that like in the fall I want to wear all these cute boots and stuff, and then I just never like how they feel on me. But I want like a good tall pair, and these look decent. They're not too tall, not like a thigh high, anything like that. These are the Vince Camuto Derica leather boot. They don't really look like leather though. They look like a suede material, but I love the tortilla suede shade. It looks so cute. These are $149 right now from Vince Camuto, originally $239, so those are a maybe. They also have some Key sunglasses on sale. I think Key is a pretty popular brand. I know it was everything a couple years ago. I have like 3 or 4 different pairs of them, but they have a new pair coming out that's called the nsale 55mm cat eye sunglasses. They are $35.90 right now, originally $45. They look pretty. I love the cat eye detail. Sometimes I do like to try on sunglasses though, so we'll see. These have the tortoise shell. I guess they're called purple tortoise black fade. Yeah, they do have the black fade, which I do enjoy. And then I have 2 bags that I'm deciding if I want or not. I don't know, we'll see. But they have some really cute ones. I've seen this like white colored bag on a couple different people's hauls, and I think it looks so cute. So I'm thinking about it. I might get it. This is called the Tory Burch Carson Croc Embossed Leather Crossbody Bag, and it's so cute. It's little, but it's also a very dressy bag, so you probably can't fit a whole lot in it, but I usually like a smaller bag. I don't like to carry around a big purse with me. This one just looks like it would match so many things. So that one's $149, originally $298. And I have one more purse that I'm thinking about, which I think this is such a classic fall color. This one is from Marc Jacobs. It's not letting me click on it for some reason. I don't know if it's sold out already. But by the way, if things do sell out, I seriously am crazy. I'll check the site every day to see if that restock, because people return things. Sometimes it goes back in stock. I don't know what the regulations are now with COVID and everything, how that's gonna work. But I usually check every day to see if they restock or maybe they got in new shipment. And sometimes a lot of the stuff that I wanted does come back in stock. And Nordstrom is very good about returns as well. If anything does not work for you, you can return it 100% money back guaranteed. So that's another reason why I absolutely love shopping with them. But yeah, I don't know why it's not letting me click on this purse, but I'll insert a photo. This is the Marc Jacobs, the Croc Embossed Leather Crossbody Bag. So same kind of texture, but this one is a gorgeous, like, olive green color. It's like a deep olive green. It is so pretty. I love the gold hardware on it, and I think this one would be kind of a fun piece for fall, but I don't know. I'm leaning more towards, I think, the white Tory Burch, just because I feel like that would match a little bit more. One more thing I wanted to mention on my wish list is this BP dress. It's the only dress that is on this list, but they didn't really have a ton of options for more affordable dresses, but this is by BP. It's the print long sleeve dress. They have a couple patterns that I do like. I think my favorite though is the Black Betsy Rose Floral. I think this is so cute. Definitely some really pretty fall tones in this one. I also like the leopard one that they have in this style too, but I think I'm going to go for the floral if it is available. I think this one's going to be pretty popular, so it might sell out, and I'm wondering what size to get too, because dresses can always be weird. Like if this one probably doesn't have a lot of stretch, I might need to size up. We'll see. It says true to size on here, but I don't know, it could go either way. But that's pretty much everything that I have on my wish list and a few recommendations. I just kind of wanted to chat all the sale things with you guys so you guys could see what I'm interested in getting, and I would love to hear what's on your wish list as well if you will be shopping the sale. This is just new fall stuff on a discount, which you really can't beat it, and the prices do go back up once the sale is over. I think it lasts for most of the month though. Yeah, we'll see if I'm able to make it up to the Nordstrom store. I'll definitely film if I do, and I'll film a haul as well to try on so you guys can see everything on me. And I think it would be nice to go buy in store as well so I can actually have the video up sooner and you guys can get some ideas if you're wanting to place an order. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget I have all these items linked down below if you guys do want to come back and shop through these links or add these to your wish list, whatever. I will go ahead and let you guys go and see you in my next video. Bye guys!